Today we read 2 Kings 14 and 2 Chronicles 25. It's day 187 in the Bible recap if that's the plan you're using. I am about worn out with these kings. And sometimes I think that God says the same thing about me. Like, good grief, child, we have been through this. And here you go again, putting other stuff first. God uses both good men and evil men to accomplish his plan. The victory is always the Lord's, no matter what side you or I fall on. I mean, I personally would prefer to be on the side of victory, which means I have to stay on his side. And to know his side, we have to continue to seek him. Would you join me in responding in worship with the song, Victory is Yours, from Bethel Music?
Our fight is with weapons unseen. Your enemies crash to their knees as we rise up in worship. When trials unleash like a flood, the battle belongs to our God, so we cry out in worship. The victory is yours, you're riding on the storm. Your name is unfailing, though kingdoms rise and fall, your throne withstands it all. Your name is unshaken. What hell meant to break me has failed. Now nothing will silence my praise. I will cry out in worship. The walls of the prison will shake. The chain-breaking King will rise to save as we cry out in worship. The victory is yours, you're riding on the storm. Your name is unfailing, though kingdoms rise and fall, your throne withstands it all. Your name is unshaken. You roar like thunder, nothing can tame God. All powerful. We pull down heaven with shouts of praise, God. All powerful. You roar like thunder, nothing can tame God. All powerful. We pull down heaven with shouts of praise, God. All powerful. The victory is yours, you're riding on the storm. Your name is unfailing, though kingdoms rise and fall, your throne withstands it all. Your name is unshaken.
Though kingdoms rise and fall, God's throne withstands it all. Thanks for joining me in worship today. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.